Hi, I'm Eva. I'm from US. I'm an IT professional. Most of the time I drive long hours to work, and maybe that's what contributed to my spine issues. I started with a lot of cervical spine pain since 2012. It started with some spondylitis and then some pain in my elbow. Doctors did rule it out as tendinitis, and in 2019 I was administered with cortisone injections in my elbow to subside the pain, and the pain did subside for 6 to 7 months, and it just came back. I started with a lot of pain in my neck, my shoulder, my arms, and it kept on radiating. I went through physiotherapy, a lot of pain medication, and 2 to 3 years of chiropractor since 2020, 2021, 2022. Since October 2022, my pain just kept on increasing, and by the mid of November, I was almost bedridden with pain in my jaw and a lot of nerve pinch, radiculopathy that I could feel, and I wasn't able to use my right arm at all. My shoulder blades, my chest, my neck, everything was sore, numb. December 1st was when I had my MRI, and the spine surgeon asked me to go for surgery, but then I already had plans to travel to India for my brother's marriage. I did take that risk, travel to India, and I wasn't sure about any surgeons in India, so I asked few of my friends. I got a lot of contacts of spine surgeons. I reviewed them through Google, through Facebook, through YouTube, and that is how I landed up here looking at Kale Spine Surgery. I went through the testimonies. One of my friends on Facebook suggested Dr. Kiran, who's I think a very good surgeon, and looking at the testimonies and his website, all the knowledge that he shared, all the information, I did trust it, and I thought it was the best hands I could ever undergo my surgery through. That's why I chose him. And then I met Dr. Kiran on 10th of December, and by 12th I was already admitted at Yashoda hospital, and 13th was when my surgery was performed. It's been 10 days now. My sutures are, I have got rid of my sutures, and I'm able to move my neck, my arm. It's like quite flexible. I'm able to use it. So I wasn't able to use this right arm for almost 7 years. Not for cooking, not for cleaning, nothing. It was just pain medication. I tried tramadol, oxycodone, hydromorphine, morphine injections, everything. I also had an epidural injection in my cervical spine before traveling to India, but that didn't help in reducing my pain at all. The surgery finally managed all my pain. I'm able to move my neck like up, down, sides, both the sides. I'm able to travel. I'm able to do everything, or else all the time I was just holding my arm and doing whatever was possible. Most of the times it would be just sleeping, laying flat on the bed, not able to brush because I'm a right-handed, not able to wash my face properly, not able to take a shower properly. But now it's been 10 days. I feel much relieved. I'm just waiting for more relief. Hope my nerve just rejuvenates itself and I get back into normal life again. On 10th of December, we called Dr. Kiran in the morning. It was a Saturday. He gave us an appointment to meet him at his private clinic, KL Health Center. After seeing my health reports, assessing them, he suggested a cervical disc replacement surgery. at the soonest possible. He also shared his literature with us to go through them, and he told us about the risk associated with the surgery, the pros and the cons. We went back home. It was a Sunday. We went through all his literature. Monday morning we met him again, and he got us admitted at the Yashoda hospital. And 13th was a Tuesday when I was operated, and my cervical disc replacement was done. And post that, all my pain was gone. Like, I was able to use my arm, my neck, and yeah, we stayed at the Yashoda hospital for the next 3 days under observation. I was given all painkillers whatsoever was necessary. I was administered. Within those 3 days, my x-rays were done, and I was discharged on the 4th day. Everything went really well. The nurses were fine, and I would also like to thank the doctor's team, Dr. Kiran, Dr. Sudhir, and Dr. Swati. They were really kind and nice and on time and schedule. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Murli. I'm also from US. I'm US husband. We were here for her cervical spine surgery. Most of the things she explained, but I would like to just add one more point, which made us go through Dr. Kiran Lingotla for this surgery was his website. I think most of us go through a lot of literature before we go through this kind of risky surgery. So we went through that, looked at the testimonials, which gave us, both of us, confidence that he is the one through which we should do this surgery. And I think anybody who is going through this kind of situation should definitely visit that website. It's KL Surgeon, and you should klspinesurgeon.com, and you should read the testimonials and the detailed information which he has given, the academics as well, which gives you more confidence. And definitely thanking his team, which made Eva now movable. She's able to move her hand, which I haven't seen in a while. So that's a good thing, and she would be able to do the things she loves. So thank you, Dr. Kiran and his team, for the support they have done for us.